I'm probably not going to properly label my title for whatever reason. There's no room to do anything back here. I'm seriously trying to get me in the picture, but probably see my legs. Plus, I might hit this. Just on my top half. I guess it's okay that you only see my legs, because I'm trying to do the Gangnam Style dance again. Sorry, I always mess up. Ow. And that's what I get for having a messy room.